Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Luba and today we will crochet this type of keychain, the heart. It's tiny heart of ideal form and I think you will like it. So let's start. You may use any type of yarn and any number of hook as you like. I will use this turkey plush yarn, prima plush, and crochet hook number 4 millimeters. So for the first we need to crochet two identical parts, and we start with magic ring or 2 chain stitch, and then we work 5 single crochet into the second stitch from the hook. 4 and 5. The next round is 5 increases. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And round 3 is 10 single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Walk, slip stitch and cut the yarn. Fasten off. Now we need to make identical second part. We also start with chain 2 and walk 5 single crochet into the second stitch from the hook. Walk 1, 2, then start the third single crochet, take this thing, so put on the ring on the hook, then take the thread and pull it through the ring and through both loops. We attached it and then continue crocheting with 2 single crochet. It should be 5 at all. That's all. The next round is 5 increases. 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the third round is 10 single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Walk a slip stitch and continue crocheting. Take the first part of the heart and walk 2 single crochet together. Attach one part to the other with the right sides facing each other and join them with 2 single crochet. 1 and this way, and after that we continue to crochet around the whole hat. To avoid the holes between the parts, I work decreases, insert the hook into the place of connection, take the yarn and into the first stitch on the part and work decrease. It was the first, the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 and 8. We work here and into the place of connection together as a decrease. The second part is also the same, into the place of connection and the first stitch, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 and 8 and place of connection. This one. Now it should be 16 stitches in a round, and the next round we work 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat 4 times. 2 decrease, 1, 2 and decrease, 1, 2 decrease, 1, 2 and decrease. It should be 12 stitches in a round, and the next round 6 we work 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now we need to fill the hat with fiber. Try to form a beautiful form of the hat. This way. We still have 12 single crochet, and the next round we work 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat 4 times. Decrease, 1 decrease, 1 decrease, and the last one decrease. Now add fiber fill one more time. And finish the hat working 4 decreases. The last round. 1, 2, 3, snip the thread. And tighten the ring with the help of sewing needle. Take these 4 front loops of the last round. 4. One more time to fasten off, and hide the thread through the center of the ring. Hide it inside the heart. And cut the thread. That's all. Our heart is ready. Our keychain is ready. This way. I hope you like this tutorial and keychain. Put likes, write comments, and thank you for watching this video and for crocheting with me. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.